Hello everyone. I'm Cotton, the chef dog. I like to show you the best recipes, and today I bring you a very well-known dish that most people love. The hamburger. But let's make it vegetarian. Cows and chickens are my friends, so I'm not going to eat them. At least not for now. In the last two recipes, I taught you how to make brioche bread and delicious lentil croquettes. So to make our burgers, we will use those two recipes. I leave you up here and in the description the link to make the bread and croquettes. Very good. For our burgers we are going to need the following: tomato, bread, lettuce, onion, sauces, chips, and of course the croquettes. I already have almost all the ingredients ready, so I just have to chop the tomatoes. Let's chop them. Now we fry our lentil croquette to have all our ingredients ready. While it finishes frying, I sing this song to you. Tell me in the comments. What is your favorite burger? If it's meat or chicken. Or vegetarian. Ready, now we open our bread to start assembling our wonderful burger. We place the lettuce, then the croquette, the tomatoes, the onion, the sauces, and we finish with the chips. We close it, and our exquisite vegetarian burger is ready. Now the best part, let's try it. It is delicious. How I like the hamburger. Save yourself a little money and make this delicious burger at home. You will not regret. Thanks for joining me. Don't miss my next recipe. If you liked this video, leave me a like and subscribe and hit the bell so you know when I make the next recipe. I'm Cotton, the chef dog.